Today we'll talk about how can you enable market Milestone notifications on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that to your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on settings. When you just click here on settings, then it's going to take you to next CPU. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on push notifications. Then you come to this list here. Just come here to market milestone here. Just click in this sign. Then like you see this color here show for us. So that like you see here market milestone enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.